Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking, very small touch control earbuds. It's done by a company called Tranya and it is modeled B530. It is a true wireless headphones. You can see that it has everything jam-packed in one little box. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family and click the notification icon. That way you will be notified once we have a new video out. Plus, click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly for you. If you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. You can see that the box itself is really nicely designed. It has the marking in the front and also it does say what type of model it is. And it has all the indications in the bottom. You go on one side of it, you have some little markings on what's included inside of the box. You look in the back, you have more information of what you can and what you cannot do. Going on another side of it, you do have a little QR code so you can scan, and that way you will be able to get some info on your phone or tablets. I do not want to forget that this earbuds itself has touch control. Also, it comes with Bluetooth 5.0. The audio calling on this when you're trying to make a call is beautiful. It is HD. The battery life on this is lasting at least 6 hours. And it is IPX5. That means it is sweat proof and water resistant to a limit. And once we are trying to unbox it, you can see that it is shrink wrap, but once we open the top and we slide everything out, and here is the components that are part of the box. So this is what's included inside of the little plastic. There is a little register paper so you can fill out. You can go to their website for the 15 months warranty. It also comes with two little stickers. It also comes with a user guide. Now this user guide is in a few different languages. As you can see, it mentions it right underneath. There is a little box that will tell you accessories on it. And it does have a little part that you can take it out of the actual box. But now when you open it, here are the little parts that are included inside of this. So number one is the little earbuds. These are the extra ones, just in case if you ruin the one you have or the one that you have is either small or too big, you can replace them. I like that. I'm going to keep it in this, so this way it's all safe and it's not going to get dirty. The next part is the charging wire. These are micro USB connectors. So this will go to your computer or to your power outlet, and this is the one that you're going to connect to your docking station to charge your earbuds. So here you go. That's how it looks, and it's not that long. Now comes the big moment, which is your earbuds docking station itself. It is look really cool. It has some plastic on the top, so this way you're not going to get it scratched. And when you go on the bottom, you have some markings. But going on the top, we can take this part out. It gets ripped really quick. So yes, it is very shiny. That is what we're really looking for. And when you look, there's the little hinge that when you open and go into the front part of it, go into the side of it first. There is the micro USB. We will show you when we connect it, how it's going to look when you charge it. And here are the LED indicators, which looks really cool, by the way. Now going around, there's nothing else. It's just shiny on the top, and that's about it. Now go into the front part. When you open it, as you're going to see the actual earbuds. What I really like again is how they put it together. Only thing I just noticed is the head part is really different. That means is if I have to scratch, it gets scratched really easily. If you break it, it's not going to be really good. But it has a little indicator here. That's cool. And when you open it, you do have the little R for the right and L for the left. And going here is the actual earbuds. Now the earbuds itself is sitting nicely. There is a little magnet that will hold it in place, so that way it gets charged when it requires. But once you take it out, this is how it really looks. And you can see both of them together. So let's leave this here. Now these also have little markings, as you can see. It does indicate that that one is right, and there is the charging location, so you can hook it up. There is a little sensor there, and then you do have the earbud part of it that goes inside of your ear. But now go around it, there is the little section. So when you are trying to talk, there you go, that is the one. That is the mic that will listen. This is the touch sensitive part that when you want to put it in your ear, you want to change the song or play and pause, that will happen. Same thing goes for the left one. It has all of the same thing that you see on your right. You're going to see it on the left too. And also you have the little LED indicator that tells you that it is right now available for pairing. Alright, so it's time to get the earbuds connected to the phone itself. Now in order to pair it, it should be very easy and simple. We just have to make sure that we scroll down and we go to our Bluetooth, and once it comes up, you can see that how many things I have connected already. It is on a searching right now. You can see the little rollers running right now, and we have to take the left one out. And if we take the right one out too, we're going to leave it right here. And it already shows up as B530L. Now when we select it, it should connect very easily. And there you go. Now it says that allow it to connect. So I'm going to say pair. And once it gets paired on the top, it will tell you connected. And let's try to demonstrate to show how easy it is to play a song and play and pause. So it is playing. Now we're going to turn it up. Here you go. Once it starts playing, we can tap it one time. There you go. You see that? It paused. Now if we tap it again one time. So this is how easy it is to play with this earbuds itself to make it work nicely for you. You can hear the sound right now. It is very loud. Again, the sound quality on this is excellent. I have to mention that when I was trying to play with this outside, I noticed a few little things that stand out. Something like the bass on this is nice. It's not super good, but it is quite good. I have to mention that if you want to set up your sound as orchestra, you will be able to get a proper sound out of it. If you want to put it on heavy metal, this is not going to do the job, because it requires a lot of bass. The bass, the way that it sounds when you are trying to play this is more like when you're inside of a car, you're not sitting in the front, but you're sitting in a back. And the more back noise is selected for this to play with. Again, remember that I have the Humidigi S2 Pro, and also I have Note 9. With the Note 9, you have Atmos, which you can play songs really good. But again, the regular speaker that is part of the phone itself will do the job more better than this. But again, if you want to hook it up as a regular phone calls, this will do the job accurately for you. Another thing I want to mention is the sound quality on this when you're playing video. It's really good, so it is going to be in sync accurately. You're not going to see any kind of delay when it comes to the sound itself on your videos. Now, if you want to do some music playing, again, you're not going to notice that much of a difference. But if you want to go for jogging, this is really good. I want to mention one more thing, that this is sweat proof and it is waterproof, but to an extent. So if you are going to put it outside and it rains on it, I can tell you that give and take about 30 minutes, it will be ruined. But if it just gets wet and you want to clean it, this will work perfectly. As a sweat proof is when you go and working out, this will really do the job for you. But remember that you got to take care of these headphones. The only thing that it really stood out for me is how easy it is to grab it, and again, the price. When it comes to the unit itself, when you look at it, it is really nicely created. The only thing I don't like is the top part, which is very shiny. And again, you can see that it attracts dust really quickly, and you're going to keep cleaning it. And if you put this in your pocket, if you squeeze it, it can break very easily. But except that, it is really cool. The hinge itself is also made very cheap. But when you go to the front, you have all the lights accurately. And when you open it up, the headphone sits perfectly inside. As long as you have it inside, I can tell you that these, according to their paperwork, should work for up to 6 hours. And if you want to put it back in charge, it should take you up to 60 hours For me, I have used this roughly about 3 hours and I put it back. It didn't use that much of charge. And these parts that shows the charge accurately for you, I really like that too. Right now when I got it out of the box, it was 3 charged and the 4th one was just getting charged, as you can see. Except that it is awesome. I would suggest everybody to purchase one of these. It is very inexpensive and it will do the job for you. Very, very similar to your Earbuds 2nd generation, and this is a fraction of the price. Links will be available where you can order it from. Except that, I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.